Baldwin Supply is a distributor of mechanical power transmission, conveyor belt, electric motors, and automation products. It started in 1920, and we now have multiple locations around the Midwest. What we've done at Baldwin is we've taken a traditional old industry, kind of what some people, the younger people especially, say, well, that's kind of boring, but it's not boring. We've made it really fun. So we sell sprockets and chain and automation and all kinds of different things, but we have a lot of fun doing it.
You know, we're dealing in agriculture, aggregate, food packaging, the mining industry. And it goes on and on and on. I mean, when you look at our customer base, we could sell to a hospital or to a major manufacturer. We've got so many different stories of where we've started out in a garage with a customer. Now they have 200 employees and we've grown right along there with them. I think the Midwest really offers a diverse economy of industry to work with.
You'll hear various business leaders always say the customer is the king, they're number one. I really believe that our team is number one. And when we have happy team members, we have really happy customers because it starts with a happy team.
If someone fits in, they have a tendency to stay for a long time. I mean, just this year, we've had 2 people retire who have been with Baldwin for over 40 years. Growing up as a kid with a family business and seeing it when my dad and grandpa were involved and having that perspective, it's fun to kind of look at the past and now try to add those same qualities for our future team.